Baklava, or baklava, is one of the most loved desserts in Lebanon. There are many recipes out there, but Lebanese baklava is distinct in its floral aroma and crunchy texture. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you, so let's get started and I'll tell you how I made it. We first start with the syrup to allow it to cool later on the side. To a saucepan, add sugar, water, and a few drops of lemon juice. The lemon juice helps avoid crystallizing. Don't mix it now. Once you put it on the heat for about 3 minutes, start mixing the sugar slowly to melt it. Bring it to a boil and then lower the heat to a simmer. Turn off the heat and add the rose water and orange blossom. In this recipe, I use clarified butter instead of ghee. I just prefer the taste of butter. Melt the butter on low heat in a saucepan and place it in a bowl, avoiding the milk solids. You can also use this method with a cloth and a sieve. Milk solids will leave brown specks on your baklava and you don't want that. You can use any chopped nuts. The most popular in home baking is cashews and walnuts. In my recipe, I add dark brown sugar when it bakes. It gives it a caramel toffee flavor and it just elevates the baklava. Now we are ready to roll the baklava. I use store-bought phyllo dough. Only open the package when you're ready to make it. Lay your sheets on a flat surface. For each roll, you'll need 2 sheets. Brush your melted butter on the top sheet. Spoon the walnut mixture on the bottom end and sprinkle a bit to the middle. Start rolling the phyllo dough over the nuts gently while also pressing it tightly. When you get to the top, brush it again with butter. Crunching the baklava like this is very important for the final look when it bakes. Place your roll on a buttered pan. It's important to use a light-colored aluminum pan, otherwise with a dark pan it will burn the bottom. Once you have all your rolls, brush it with the rest of the butter and be very generous. You have to cut your rolls before baking. Cut it into about 1-inch pieces. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 420 Fahrenheit. Place your pan on the bottom rack, then move it to the top rack. When you remove it from the oven, immediately drizzle the cool syrup on it. I use 3/4 of the amount of the syrup. If you like it really sweet, then add the rest of the syrup. Cut it again where you already pre-cut it. Allow the baklava to cool for 30 minutes, then transfer it to a plate or the box. You can find more details in the recipe on the blog. I'm really passionate about making Lebanese recipes for you, so please follow along to help me grow the blog. Thank you.